And here we have yet another example of a function where we're going to ask the question, what, if any, are its critical numbers? So, and I'm definitely being intentional about experimenting with, we'll say, algebra and or functions that are a little bit different each time to sort of widen our list of algebra tools that we need to use. So, if you've missed previous examples somehow, we're going to determine first what makes this function undefined. X multiplied by natural log of x. The domain of natural log of x is that x values must be positive. So when we're looking for critical numbers, it has to be values of x that are greater than 0. Or we could say x can't be 0 or negative if you want to put it from the negative perspective, or well, like literally the negative perspective, haha. So, the derivative. First derivative of this function. Oh, look at that. We get ourselves a product rule here, folks. The derivative of x is 1. Leave natural log of x alone. Plus, leave x alone. And the derivative of natural log of x is 1 over x. A little simplification, and we get that the derivative is natural log of x plus the number 1. Now, another observation. This function here has the same input, or we'll call it domain, as the original function. X has to be greater than 0. So there won't be any cases where there's something undefined here that is a value that works here. They have the same exact list of defined values. So that means we're going to default to our usual thing to do, and that is ask the question, when does the derivative equal to 0? I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. And there are several ways of writing this next step, but I like to call it translate. The logarithm of base e of x is equal to -1 when e to the -1 equals an x. And e to the negative first power would be the same as saying x equals 1 over e. And I would just point out that that is a positive value. 1 over 2.718 approximately is definitely positive. So my students and my watchers in this video, if you want to know the critical numbers, not plural, critical number for that function, it is the value x is equal to 1 over e. There you have it. Until next time.